Hello and welcome back to a new tutorial video of this channel. If you're trying to post anonymously on a group that you're in, then you've come to the right video because I'm going to show you the exact process that you need to do to successfully post anonymously so that other people on the group won't know who posted. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick around and let's get right into it. Now before I show you the steps, let me tell you that not every group would have an option of posting anonymously. If the admin of the group has allowed that option, only then you'll be able to have an option or would be able to post anonymously on that group. So with that said, open up the group that you want to post anonymously on. Once you open up the group, you just need to tap on write something and you should have an option of post anonymously if the admin of the group has allowed that option. If you don't see this option, that means you won't be able to post anonymously because the admin has not allowed that option. If you do see this option, you can just toggle this option on and tap on I want to post anonymously, and you can now type in anything or add in pictures or videos and then tap on post on the top right. This way other people on the group or other group members won't know who posted that exact post. So that's how easily you can post anonymously on a Facebook group. I hope you guys found this video helpful. It was a real quick and easy video, and that's going to be pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.